everyone, I am starting my daughter Zara's hair by pulling off these rubber bands. I do not just take them off, I pop them off. That way it's not getting tangled in her hair. As you can see, my daughter Zara is very silly and has a big personality. So right here what I am doing is popping the rubber bands off, and I am picking through the dust that the rubber band collected in her hair and then combing through her hair to let out any shedded hair. It's really late at night, y'all. She has school in the morning. She is in kindergarten, so I didn't have time to fully prep her hair. So I am just refreshing the hairstyle that she has already there. So for her natural hair, I use water, and that's what's in this mist bottle. It's just water. Then I use a leave-in conditioner to keep her hair moisturized throughout the week. Right here, what I'm showing you guys is the leave-in conditioner that I use for her hair. It's Cantu product. And I know a lot of people do not like Cantu, but this product actually helped my first daughter hair grow down to her waist. So what I do is use the comb to detangle her hair, and then I use a baby brush to smooth down her hair, and then I secure it with a rubber band. Right here, I'm just combing her hair and then twisting it up to give it that pretty juicy twist. And at the bottom, I coil up her hair by just twisting it around my finger, and there you go. So how I take her twist apart is start at where the rubber band was at, and then I loosen that area, and then I work my way down, but I go straight to the end of the hair and I pull the coil apart. That way I'm not breaking her hair at the end by starting at the top. Then I work my way up. Right here, I started to add her hair bows in. She loved hair bows, and she always loved to match them with the outfit that she's going to wear the next day. And we already had our outfit picked out, so I already knew what color bows to use. Right here, what I am adding is her baby hair. She has tons of baby hair. And my mother, she did this when I was little. Always added baby hairs to my edges. So I do it with my kids and they love it. It looks really pretty. Kisses and goodbyes. Thanks for watching.